going to find
a bridge. Fucking bridge.
Day 3 of our mini road trip in Scotland.
Part 2.
Part 2.
Shit. Fucking hell, it's gone quick.
We finished filming part 1 yesterday, and today is the first day of filming the second part.
A lock. Oh, that's just a little bit.
We spent the last couple of days driving around multiple locks, or should I say, lock.
What?
I think we're pretty much done with the locks, and in this part we'll be exploring up in the Highlands. So we are today going to see a bridge.
It's a lot more exciting than it sounds, I promise.
Or multiple bridges, should I say.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow we'll be going to John O'Groats, which is officially the northest point in mainland UK. So that'll be fun. Did a bit of editing last night with some Iron Brew. Don't actually rate it.
Rate it 1 through 10.
1. I have had Iron Brew before, but I didn't think it tastes like that. I don't know if they've changed the recipe or something, but yeah, I wasn't really a fan. Sorry.
You actually know what you got?
Not a clue.
We'll find it. 20 mile an hour. Ridiculous.
The Simpsons. What in the
Dum diddy dum diddy dee dee doo doo doo. Fucking hell! Ah!
We've also got the drone with us today as well to capture the
Which
bridge.
you're not fucking touching. As you can see, I'm very, you know, health and safety prepared. Got the high-vis reflective coat on. Don't fancy getting hit by any Scottish cars.
We've come to Scotland not knowing literally anything about Scotland.
No.
We've bashed their like Iron Brew drink. I'm still confused if like there is a Scottish language or not, because like under everything that's like in Scottish.
We're at Tesco's.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like I'm confused if there's a Scottish language or not, because like under a lot of like English like writing.
GT86. Hello.
I'm confused if there's like a Scottish language or not, because a lot of the signs have like another language underneath. Like I know like there's a Welsh language. Is there a Scottish language as well? I don't know about you, but like Scotland just seems like really peaceful. Everyone's just like going about their like day-to-day stuff, just like vibing.
Everyone's just living their best life here. Better than Birmingham. Although, I've got to say, one of my favourite memes has come from Scotland. I think it was Scotland anyway. Which one of yous has had a shit?
You what, bruv?
You want some? I'll give it you.
Petrol station up there, apparently. We need to fuel up as well today. Because where we're going, I'm not sure there's going to be a petrol station for at least 300 miles. Oh my god, it's a Fiat Panda 4x4.
Where?
Absolute weapon.
When you go down, you spin my head round. I want to go to the other side. Not past this way. If you're like about to come across the bridge.
I can barely hear you. Huh? Bonar Bridge. What's the name? Round and round the roundabout we go. Back over Bonar Bridge. Which is officially part of the NC 500 apparently. Coming down now.
I think everyone thinks I'm on a fucking speed camera. It's fuel time.
You think they'll take my Englishman money? Sorry. What does that mean?
Grid loose. That should be fine. Might be Scottish.
It's just spilled one on my car.
Alrighty. Another 300 miles of driving.
We haven't mentioned it so far today, but look what I've spied up here.
What was it? Fuck off.
It's an Arnold Clark rental van.
Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Do you reckon those ducks are fans of Arnold Clark?
That is probably Arnold and Clark.
Back on the road.
Back on the road again. Ooh. SL55.
Hello.
Hello, city. Onto the NC 500 we go. So they did accept the English money, so I guess it's just like an English thing, like if we're given like Scottish notes, you're looking at it, you're like, what's that, brother?
Brother,
Brother, We've got like 10 cameras in this car, moving media outlets. What's that coming over the hill?
Is it a cyclist?
Yes it is.
It's a cyclist!
It's like driving in Forza.
But better.
I have no idea where we are, but all I know is we just need to keep going straight and we eventually end up somewhere we're meant to be.
Eventually.
Eventually. I don't think the sat-nav even knows where we are, so, you know.
That's fucking great, isn't it?
Get the map book out. Just have to study some coordinates. Some behind the scenes photo shooting.
This is the fucking bridge.
That is the bridge.
That is the bridge.
The bridge.
We
are on
shit.
the bridge.
We are on the bridge. We have waited how long for this fucking bridge? This is sick. Bro. And the weather's decent.
Creating the ultimate drone shot. Can't be that hard, right? In the middle of nowhere.
I'm thinking louder than my my brain can't take. Have to say something, but words fade away. I want a picture of all of my mistakes, posted on the wall right in front of me. If I could get my feelings straight, my reflection wouldn't be so blurry. If I could see the whole dim landscape, then I'd know what to say to you. I'm moving in 'cause I need connection with you. Give you a sign, my communication's wordless, wordless.
Got to get this on video. I have no idea what that guy was doing, but he seemed to just be loving life, so fair play to him. Back over the Kailas Kumham.
What's this, day 3 in Scotland?
Day I've lost count, I think. Ready to see John?
Oak Roads.
Big John.
Big John. Ready to see Arnold, what's wrong? Yeah, we're going to see Arnold.
Arnold Oak Roads.
It's a lovely day to go to the coast.
It's a lovely day to head as north as physically possible. Mainland UK.
Fucking hell. Getting the full John Cooper Works experience as well.
No, the truck drivers with like their air suspension seats. I
Cut you out and put
maneuver
you
my
on.
wagon.
Should cut you out and put you on a bouncy castle.
I think I did about 300 miles worth of driving yesterday around like the top of Scotland.
Yeah.
Mental.
Fucking insane.
So yeah, we definitely need fuel. We also did like a 2-hour round trip to a Burger King.
Oh, food. People, do you think, wake up on a Monday morning and go, oh, you know what? I want to go as north as physically fucking possible.
Monday morning. Let's go and see John.
Come on, be my baby. Come on. What the fuck is that? Ooh, that is fucking nice, that is. 24 plate bin. Fucking, they must be loaded round here.
Extra long hoses.
Long man round. Okay, so we've got 70 miles left. It's saying ETA of about 1:52 PM. How are you feeling behind the wheel?
Another 500 miles.
Fucking honestly. And then we're driving all the way back, dropping camera gear off, most of it, then driving to Inverness.
Yeah.
Again. For food.
I would walk 500 miles and I would walk 500 more.
Maybe not for a fucking Nando's.
You get stuck behind motorhomes everywhere.
These bloody motorhomes. Okay, so we've got 32 miles left out of our, what was it, 70-mile journey?
70 miles to Big John.
Off to see, yeah, Big John. To be fair, it's actually been quite a decent drive, to be fair. The road's been quite good.
Nice scenic routes.
Some quite fun roads. To be fair, out of all the roads that we've done, like, non-scenic wise, these have been the most fun to drive on.
Yeah, these are pretty fun.
Like, we've got cows and sheep everywhere.
Some C500 route.
Off to see Big John.
Why are we even going to John O'Groats?
I don't actually know. Just because.
Wow.
Huh.
It's raining men.
Hallelujah, it's raining men.
Woohoo! Hello there, cows. I'm just trying to avoid like every pothole in the road going. This is not a road for a car with super low profile tyres, which of course mine is.
Jesus Christ.
Cost me a set of tyres again.
Fucking hell.
Okay, Lambson's better.
See it, Jack, I can see it.
John is upon us.
John is almost upon us.
John O'Groats completed it.
It's a bit bloody cold here, mate.
It's a bit cold. Current situation.
It's a bit windy, mate.
Big John. Right, should we go now? So that's all for our road trip in the mini JCW around Scotland. If you enjoyed this type of content, do let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, I think now it's time to get back to England. Oh, well, that was easy.